Hello friends, this is Irene. Welcome to my channel Everyday English Vocabulary. I hope everyone doing great. Today I am again with 5 more vocabularies. So let's start. List of vocabularies are allocate, alloy, allusion, aloof, altercation. Allocate, allocate, allocate. It means to give as a share or portion. To give as a share or portion. Its opposite word is keep. It means to have something and not give it back to the person who had it before. For example, the results will depend on how each department allocates its resources. Alloy, alloy, alloy. It means a metal that consists of two or more metals mixed together. A metal that consists of two or more metals mixed together. Its opposite word is ingredient. It means one of the parts that make up a whole. For example, the pipes are made of an alloy of copper and zinc. Allusion, allusion, allusion. It means something said or written that mentions a subject, person, etc. indirectly. Something said or written that mentions a subject, person, etc. indirectly. Its opposite word is specification. It means a detailed description about something. For example, in her poetry, we find many allusions to the human body. Aloof, aloof, aloof. It means deliberately not talking to other people. Deliberately not talking to other people. Its opposite word is friendly. It means having or showing kindly feeling and sincere interest. For example, she had always kept herself aloof from the boy in class. Altercation, altercation, altercation. It means a short noisy argument. A short noisy argument. Its opposite word is calm. It means relaxed and quiet, not angry, nervous or upset. For example, she was engaged in some sort of altercation with the driver. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. Thank you.